Now, how do we do this lamaisa? In 2 words, well, there are a few ways of doing it. Theoretically, you can draft one will. That'll also be good, cover all the legal issues, and also cover all the halachic issues. But that is usually not 100% good, because the Israeli legal system, and especially if you also need an international will, and then you need it to be qualified also in Chutz La'aretz, in the States or somewhere else, they don't know all these halachic shtick, right? They don't know all these halachic phrases. It's very hard to translate also these halachic phrases into different languages and have that translation correct. And you're taking a chance that if you have the halachic will brought in front of a secular court because you need to have it enforced, you're going to, even though it's valid halachically, it's not gezel, but they won't recognize it. Or they won't recognize it because they'll consider it as a present, as a matana, and not as an inheritance, and there's different taxation laws, and there's a whole big problem. There's different legal opinions about that. Or because they don't recognize the halachic phrases. So a suggestion brought out by Justice Ben Zion Grimberger, who is a Shofet Mechuzi in Yerushalayim, is also a Talmid Chacham on his own behalf, is that you draft 2 wills. You draft one regular legal will, okay, that is the one that is brought before the courts in order to get a order of inheritance that you can implement and get free the assets after Ma'aveh Esrim. But in order for that not to be gezen, in order for that to be able to be implemented according to halacha, you write a parallel halachic will, which is drafted according to halacha, which is used chas v'shalom only in case with a dispute, and you have to get to Beis Din. And it makes sure that what you have in the regular will is not gezel, as halachically valid. So you basically have 2 forms, which one is based on the other. The halachic will is phrased in the halachic system and refers to certain aspects in the regular will, and in that way you're covered from both sides. You can also implement the regular will in the court, and you're also covered from a halachic perspective that you can implement that everything that's done is according to halacha. There's no isser here, and also you will not get into dispute because according to every system, also Din Torah, and also the regular system, the will is valid, okay? And therefore, it's all on the same page, and you don't have a different contradiction between the different systems. So that is the way we use it, and that is the way we suggest to do it, is actually having, is as a kind of a package that you actually do a legal will with the legal people, with the attorney, and do the halachic will in parallel together, and have them both drafted together, that they supplement each other.